To download your account data from Binance, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all the necessary information saved securely. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account that you wish to download data from. Step 2. Navigate to the User Center. Once logged in, locate the user icon or your profile picture in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access the User Center menu. Step 3. Access the API Management section. In the User Center, find the API Management option. This section allows you to create and manage your API keys, which are necessary for downloading account data. Step 4. Generate an API key. If you don't already have an API key, click on the Create API button. Follow the prompts to generate a new API key. Make sure to save your secret key securely, as you will need it to access your data. Step 5. Download your account data. With your API key ready, go to the Account or Data Export section in your User Center. Select the type of data you want to download, such as transaction history or account statements, and follow the instructions to export it in your desired format. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from Binance. Make sure to keep your data secure and review it regularly for your records.